The Hydro Physio Canine Treadmill offers a robust, water-based therapy solution that supports recovery, rehabilitation and enhanced mobility for dogs of all sizes. Our commitment to UK manufacturing standards means every treadmill is built to last, with high-quality, reliable components and top-tier craftsmanship that hydrotherapists can trust session after session. This system is thoughtfully designed to facilitate both ease of use and patient comfort, with dual access doors for smooth entry and exit. This unique feature ensures that hydrotherapists can manage patients from either side, an essential convenience for facilities with high treatment turnover. Built with a range of advanced features, the Hydrophysio Canine Treadmill offers adjustable water levels, powered incline and variable speed settings, allowing hydrotherapists to create a safe, controlled environment suited to each dog's unique rehabilitation needs. A 360-degree glass observation window gives complete visibility, enabling precise monitoring throughout every session, so progress can be accurately tracked. The intuitive touchscreen interface gives hydrotherapists instant access to custom adjustments, helping them tailor each session to the unique needs of their patients. Our system is equipped for fast and thorough cleaning, ensuring that hygiene standards are easily maintained. Each unit is also designed for simple, efficient repairs, reducing maintenance downtime and keeping your facility operating smoothly.